मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्ता चामरकर्णा विलम्बितसूत्र वामनरूप महेश्वरपुत्रा विघ्नविनायक पादनमस्ते। ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वं मनोगता अचाट्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणार्थये।
Dear children, Principal Madam has briefed about the importance of today's event. Right? Raksha Bandhan. Bond between brother and sister. I would like to narrate a small story from Mahabharata. It originated from Mahabharata. Lord Krishna was tasting sugar cane. Sugar cane, what is sugar cane? Karamba. When he was tasting sugar cane, that sugar cane has cut his finger, the side of the finger. Right? There was a small injury, blood is oozing out. So Rukmani is concerned, Rukmani is running in one direction and Radha is running in one direction in search of cloth. In search of cloth, piece of cloth. But Draupadi, you know, Panjali, she was there, she did not run for cloth. Just she stole from her saree one piece of cloth and tied on the finger. At that time only, Sri Krishna blessed her. Let it be immortal. Let this piece of cloth be immortal. This is what he has told. And later on, in the assembly, when Draupadi was humiliated by the Kauravas, Duryodhana, Durchadana and others, and what he has blessed at that time, let this cloth be immortal, and just he showed and the cloth was coming. The cloth was endlessly coming and helping Draupadi. So that is the brother-sister relationship started in Mahabharata itself. Lord Krishna was the brother and Draupadi was the sister. So sister tied the cloth on the finger of Lord Krishna and it is the symbolic of Rakhi tying. It is symbolic of Rakhi tying. And from there only this is originated. That now you are going to tie. The sisters are going to tie on brothers and so that shows the immortality. That means we are protecting you. Every brother is protecting the sister till last. Every brother is protecting the sister and there are so many other stories we don't want to tell now. With this, wish you all happy Raksha Bandhan.
आज मैं रक्षाबंधन के बारे में बोलने जा रहा हूँ। भारत में रक्षाबंधन का त्यौहार बड़े ही उल्लास के साथ मनाया जाता है।
आओ भैया प्यारे भैया मस्तक पर शुभ तिलक लगा दूं, रक्षाबंधन की बेला में, रक्षाबंधन की बेला में धागों का कंगन पहना दूं। युग युग जियो फलो फूल तुम जीवन भर मेरे भाई, राखी के इस शुभ अवसर पर यही कामना में लाई। जब तक रवि शशि करते विचरण गंगा यमुना है साकी, तब तक रक्षा करे तुम्हारी बहन की प्यारी राखी। दिन बीते सुख चैन
name is Tandavan, Hindi teacher. I am going to narrate two stories of Raksha Bandhan. So it is a very beautiful festival which is celebrated all over India. This is a story of Rajputana in Chittor in Rajasthan. So Rani Karnavati, the story between Rani Karnavati and Mughal Emperor Humayun, you know that. So Rani Karnavati, she was a widowed queen of Chittor, and almost Muslim emperor trying to attack Rani Karnavati. That time she wrote a letter with Rakhi to Humayun to protect her kingdom, and immediately Sultan of the Mughal Emperor Humayun started with his troop, with his soldiers, and attacked the Gujarat Sultan. Okay, Sultan of Gujarat, Bahadur Shah. He was a Sultan of Gujarat. So he was trying to attack Rani. Okay, so in this manner, Humayun helped Rani and protected her. So in the best love and affection between brother and sister is praiseworthy. The brother always along with the sister. When sister ties Rakhis on the wrist of a brother, the sister blesses the brother for live longer, and brother takes a strong resolution, pledge that throughout his life she will be protected by him. So the same thing I expect from you all. Thank you for this opportunity.